Today we'll see that how we can fill the form for the University of New Mexico for the graduate program. So first create an account, enter the email address, first name, last name. What happens, some people don't have their last name, so in that case they can put their first name only in place of last name. Then enter the email address, postal code, set the password, confirm the password, then click on this checkbox and then click on create an account. Okay, so yeah, this should be capitalized and this also should be capitalized. Now you can click on create an account. Now copy this pin and then click on login. Click on I agree and then continue and create. Then click on start application. Fill the personal information. Enter the city of birth. Select the country of birth, sex, citizenship status, international, country of citizenship, preferred phone number, and always add the number by adding +91 in the starting. And then enter your full address. Select the country, current country. Is permanent address same as your current address? So you can select accordingly. Then again select the country of the permanent address. Have you previously applied to a graduate program at UNM? So you can select accordingly and then click on save and continue. Now this you need to leave. Select your native language. In which languages you are proficient, so you can select that. Okay. Why are you interested in UNM? So you can select accordingly. Country of citizenship, country of permanent residence. Are you currently in the US? No. Select the visa type, which is F1 student visa. If you are in the US, are not currently, do you intend to change F1 status and attend? Yes. Have you taken IELTS, Duolingo, Cambridge or TOEFL exams? So select accordingly and then indicate the date and the exam which you have taken and the scores which you have obtained. Then if you have not taken any exam, then you need to mention the date when you will be gonna take it. Okay. If your English proficiency exam results do not meet the UNM criteria, would you be like to consider for conditional admission by completing the intensive? So you can select yes. And then additional contact, I authorize the, so this is optional, you can leave it and then click on save and continue. Now educational background, so here you need to enter the details of your undergraduation as well as post graduation. So enter the name of the institution, city of the institution, date when you have begun the program, when you have completed the program, select the degree which you have completed, Subject of degree earned, enter the subject, cumulative GPA, and upload the unofficial transcript of your undergraduation. Then click on upload document. Now here you need to okay, so number of credits you need to mention, and now here you need to add the details of your post graduation. So enter the name of the institution, city of the institution, date when you have started this program, date when you have ended it, number of credits earned, select the degree which you have completed, subject, enter the subject in which you have completed the degree, your cumulative GPA, and upload the unofficial transcript of your post graduation. And then click on upload document. Now click on save and continue. Program of interest, so select the College of Arts and Sciences. Select the department, which is Physics and Astronomy. Program major, Physics. Degree, PhD Physics. Select the interest and the second interest. Faculty number preference. If you want to add the faculty member preference, you can add, or else leave it blank. Entry term, fall. Entry year, 2024. Being readmitted to the program, no, just don't. Dual degree also, you can leave it, and then click on save and continue. Now letter of intent, so here you need to upload your letter of intent, which is, so read the instructions and upload your letter of intent here. And then click on save and continue. Now here you need to upload your CV. Here you need to enter if you have any work experience, if you have received, here you need to enter your work experience. If you have received any awards, you need to enter the details, and if you have any publications, you can enter the details. Here you need to enter your skills and then click on submit. Then relevant coursework. If you have done any relevant coursework related to this, you need to enter the details of that here. Okay, and then click on save and continue. Now video audio link required for selected programs. The College of Fine Arts requires video, so this the College of Fine Arts require, so this is not required for us, so you can leave it and then save and continue. Now assistantship interest, so I will enrolling in the graduate program assistantship. So here you need to upload one statement which requires your assistantship and all. So read the instructions and upload that statement here. And then the recommendations. So here you need to add the recommendations. So check your program requirements that how many recommendations are needed, and you need to add accordingly. So click on recommendations. So add a provider, enter the first name, last name, address and everything, and then title, enter the title. Employer means the organization name, and relationship to you. Do you wish to waive your rights? So always choose yes for this, because your reports and the document should directly send to the university, not to someone else. Add the personal note here and click on add provider. Now again click on add a provider, enter the first name, last name and all the details, then title, employer, relationship to you, do you waive the right? So again choose yes and add a personal note and click on add a provider. Then again click on add a provider and add the third one, enter the first name, last name, and all the details, email address, title, employer, relationship to you. Do you waive this right? So yes, add your personal note and then click on add a provider. And then after that, it's done. So now you can click on submit application. If you want to review your application, you can review and then click on this checkbox and then continue. Now payment method. So select the payment method and click on pay and continue. And now you need to make a payment, and after doing the payment, you will be done with your application.